I find it very, very interesting and useful.
They gave us some good tips, good advice on employment, on CVs and LinkedIn profiles, social media.
So Fast Forward Festival is a real collaboration between London Met students, graduates and employers and industry professionals. And we're really excited to bring this to London Met because it's a commitment to how important we think students' career development is.
I've come from the FDM group, so what we do is we are actually a professional service provider with a focus in IT. We've given graduates an opportunity to get their foot in the door with some huge prestigious clients and actually start a career within the IT sector.
I'm from Social Marketing Gateway and we're working with Camden and Islington's public health team on the Making Every Contact Count programme.
My name is Michael Blakley. I'm the co-founder of Aptitude Digital Solutions, which is the company I'm representing today. What we're doing is bringing digital solutions to recruitment and assessment world.
I work for Investment 2020, which is an organisation that represents 30 investment management companies across the UK, all of which offer a one-year paid traineeship to new graduates.
We work with clients in a wide range of sectors, helping them to run their businesses more effectively and more efficiently.
The event is focused on careers and employability moving forward. So this is great for employers to gain recognition with students and students to gain recognition with employers, to get students to start thinking about what they want to do once they've graduated.
It was really helpful because we got the chance to talk to the recruiter, so we got the chance to ask questions, to really understand what we are going to do, what employers really need.
It's good to come in and see the changes, what the employers are looking for, what you can give, what you can gain, and now you can answer questions in the interview.
Yeah, it's very useful for people that have no clue. The small tips on how making your CVs, the best way to do an interview, and so yeah, I recommend it.
So I'm going to be here today to talk about assessment centres and how to prepare for those, what to expect, how to get through them, just really to make sure that when they do leave here, be it next year or the year after, that they actually are as equipped as they possibly can be to get that dream job they want.
So hopefully at the end of the session they'll go away knowing what their key strengths are and knowing how they can talk about those and use them to really enhance their examples for the interview.
Obviously the students that attend Fast Forward Festival will all be at different levels, first year, second year, final year. I think it's important after this event that they keep motivated and think about what else they can do to help them progress into the career and get experience.
One of the things this festival is definitely doing is raising the profile in the minds of the student of their future prospects and work experience opportunities, so that there's a buzz, they're talking to each other about it, as well as talking to all the employers. They're talking amongst themselves, so it becomes a real feature of their experience.
The careers team do a lot. There's a lot of publicity, a lot of tweets, a lot of social media outlets that are constantly promoting different jobs around the world and within the UK. So it's up to the students if they apply themselves.
The students here are open. They're thinking about what they can do. They're interested in learning. That's why they're here. So it's a good opportunity. Yeah.